Hi there. In this AI GameSite review, I'm going to show you a tool that helps you create fully automated, ready-to-profit online game websites using the power of AI Stick Around, because I'll also walk you through all the upgrades OTOs so you'll know exactly what's in the funnel and what makes sense for your business. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kamal, an experienced six-figure affiliate marketer with over 5 years in the industry. I make these reviews to help you find the best tools and strategies to boost your online income. If that sounds good, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and tap the bell notification so you never miss an update. Oh, and before we dive in, I've got some exclusive bonuses for you if you decide to grab AI GameSite through my link below. Check the description for details. You don't want to miss them. So, what is AI GameSite? AI GameSite is a cloud-based software that helps you create fully functional online game websites preloaded with over 1 million games in various categories like racing, action, and puzzles. It's perfect for anyone looking to tap into the booming gaming industry, whether it's for affiliate income, driving traffic to offers, or even selling these websites as a service. The best part? No coding, no tech skills, no hassle. The platform does all the heavy lifting for you. Here's what makes AI GameSite stand out. Quick setup. Build a complete game website in less than 60 seconds. Huge game library, over 1 million games in multiple categories. SEO optimized. Attract organic traffic right out of the box. Affiliate ready. Easily integrate your affiliate links for monetization. 120 plus niches. Choose from a wide range of gaming categories to target the right audience. Let me quickly show you how AI GameSite works. Step 1. Log in to the cloud-based platform. Step 2. Choose your niche and set up your site. Step 3. Launch your live monetized website without worrying about hosting or technical setups. It's really that simple. Okay, let's go over and play a quick video explaining this a little bit more.
Hello there, are you aware that the online game industry is booming rapidly with bright prospects? Would you believe if I say the market size, measured by revenue of the game industry, stands at a huge $249.55 billion globally in 2022? Believe it or not, the global online game industry market is expected to grow by 8.74% in 2023. As a market that's valued at well over $1 billion, the power that the online game industry holds is clear. According to Statista, as of 2022, it is estimated that the United States ranks first among the biggest gaming markets worldwide, with a revenue of $54.9 billion and with 212 million gamers. This is the best time to grab your own share from the online game industry. So, imagine if in the next few seconds you can use new ChatGPT 4 powered software to create 100% done for you and ready to profit online game sites with the power of AI in just 60 seconds. Allow me to introduce you to the AI GameSite, a new ChatGPT 4 powered software, 100% done for you and ready to profit online game sites with the power of AI in just 60 seconds. For the first time ever in the gaming industry, you can leverage our groundbreaking state-of-the-art AI technology to create an online game site with 1 million top online games in various niches that will pull in daily commissions for you. You can now skyrocket your commissions in just one click. The done-for-you AI-powered online game sites are automatically embedded with your affiliate link so you get paid instantly like never before. With mesmerizing AI technology that would have cost you a fortune to build elsewhere. And the best part? You don't need to know anything about online gaming. It's all automated, making it as easy as ABC to start earning money online. Pulling out affiliate commissions click after click. With our fully automated system, anyone, yes, even complete newbies, can stumble their way into owning a commission-generating website. With this, you will have done for you online game sites that you can use to generate easy passive daily income or sell game site development services to businesses or clients for extra. What's even better, you will also get access to astonishing gaming content and graphics generator that leverage the power of Chat 4 to create automated gaming content and graphics for your AI-powered online game site. With this, you can create contents, graphics, or online game site development services for businesses to bank 5 to 7 figures monthly as an agency business. You can check this all out below the video. You will be blown away when you see the endless possibilities of what you can do with AI GameSite. You can easily build a successful 5 to 7 figures per month business with this extraordinary opportunity starting today. There are unlimited businesses and clients online that are craving for these high-end demand done-for-you online game sites, and AI GameSite solves all of that in just one click. All the other apps are priced monthly, limited on features, and have lots of restrictions. On top of all that, as part of the launch special, you will also get unlimited commercial license, so that you can sell online game sites agency services to your clients for whatever price you want. Plus 5 more additional complimentary fast action bonuses to speed up your results even further. You won't need to pay ridiculous monthly fees for softwares or platforms that charge more for less. However, the opportunity to get AI GameSite is very limited and time-sensitive. For this grand launch opening today, you can get in for just a small one-time payment. AI GameSite currently being sold at a heavily discounted one-time price, but that's soon going to change. When the timer hits 0, the price will increase significantly. The low one-time price will most likely change to a higher monthly recurring subscription fee, and the special bonuses given on top will be gone. These easy-to-get-started gaming sites get free traffic from Google, Bing, and other search engines because they grow with fresh gaming blog content every day. Go ahead and click on the Buy Now button below to get instant access to lock in your exclusive one-time payment before the price shoots up to a monthly recurring subscription or each tools gets sold separately. Click on the Buy Now button below to secure the deal on this incredible package worth thousands of dollars in real market value. I will then see you inside the members area in just a moment.
Now, let's break down the AI GameSite funnel so you know exactly what's inside. Front end, FE, $17. The main product includes the ability to create game websites with over 1 million games preloaded. OTO 1, Pro features, $37. Unlock advanced features like more customization and tools to enhance your site. OTO 2, Unlimited, $47. Lite, $67. Gold. Remove all limits on game categories, websites, and features. Perfect for scaling. OTO 3. Automation. 37 automates updates, content, and management, saving you time. OTO 4. Store Stream. $47. Adds an integrated store for selling gaming-related products. OTO 5. Plug and Play. $67. Pre-made templates and tools for faster site creation. OTO 6, AI Profit. 97 adds advanced AI features to optimize your site for maximum profitability. OTO 7, Audience, $67. Audience/$97, Platinum Plus. Audience building tools to grow your traffic and email list quickly. OTO 8, Agency, 97 agency rights to build and sell AI game sites for clients. OTO 9, Reseller, $97. Get 100% commissions by selling AI GameSite as your own product. OTO 10, White Label, $297. Complete branding control, rebrand, and sell the software under your own name. Here's what I love about AI GameSite. Beginner-friendly. Anyone can set up a website, no tech skills needed. Monetization options, affiliate links, AdSense, or selling sites. It's all possible. Scalability. With the upgrades, you can go from one site to a full-blown gaming empire. Now, here's what I think could be better. Advanced features. Some users might find customization a bit limited unless they purchase upgrades. Steep funnel. While the front end is affordable, the upgrades can add up. Be strategic about what you need. If you're looking for an affordable way to break into the gaming niche or want a passive income stream, AI GameSite is worth checking out. You can grab it using my link below, and don't forget about the exclusive bonuses I've put together for you. They're waiting for you inside Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my AI GameSite review. If you found this helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and tips. See you in the next video.